Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked your bank account and felt completely calm? For most of us, that relationship with money is filled with anxiety, avoidance, and that pit in your stomach feeling that something's always about to go wrong. Here's the truth. You're not stressing about money because you're bad with it. You're re-stressing because nobody ever taught you how to create a system that actually works for real life. Today, I'm going to show you how to break that cycle. The reason you're stressed about money isn't actually about the money itself. It's about three things: uncertainty, shame, and the feeling of being out of control. You don't know if you have enough. You feel like you should know, but you avoid looking. And that avoidance creates this loop where the stress just builds and builds. Here's what most financial advice gets wrong. It tells you to budget every penny, track every expense, and live like a monk. That doesn't work for most people because it's exhausting and joyless. What actually works is creating clarity and building a buffer between you and chaos. So let's talk about what actually stops the stress. Not your dream number or your retirement number, your I can breathe number. This is the amount of money you need each month to cover your essentials: rent, food, utilities, minimum debt payments, transportation. Write it down. Right now, most people are stressed because they literally don't know this number. Once you do, everything else becomes easier. Open a separate savings account, something you don't look at every day. Set up an automatic transfer of even $25 a week. That's $1,300 a year. The goal isn't to save a fortune immediately. The goal is to prove to your brain that you're building something, that you're not one emergency away from disaster. Even $500 in that account will change how you sleep at night. Forget the perfect budget. Instead, after your essentials are covered, divide what's left into 3 buckets. Things you need this month, things you're saving for, and things that make life worth living. Yes, you need that third category. Denying yourself everything creates the same stress you're trying to escape. Now here's the part that actually changes everything. You have to stop treating money like a moral issue. You're not a bad person because you have debt. You're not virtuous because you never spend on yourself. Money is a tool, and stress about money is usually about self-judgment more than actual numbers. The shift is this: instead of "I'm so bad with money," try "I'm learning a skill I was never taught." Instead of "I'll never get ahead," try "I'm building a system that works for me." One practical way to make this real: schedule a weekly money date. 10 minutes, same time every week. You check your accounts, you look at what's coming, you adjust if needed. That's it. No judgment, just information. This single habit eliminates the fear of the unknown. When you look regularly, nothing can surprise you. And when nothing surprises you, the anxiety starts to fade. Here's another trick: celebrate small wins. Paid off $100 of debt? That's worth acknowledging. Didn't overdraft this month? That counts. These aren't silly, they're evidence that you're capable of change. One last thing, because life happens, create a when things go wrong plan before things go wrong. Write down 3 actions you'll take if money gets tight. Maybe it's picking up a temporary gig, maybe it's reaching out to a creditor to adjust payment plans. Maybe it's tapping that emergency fund you've been building. Having a plan doesn't invite disaster, it removes the paralysis that makes disasters worse. And if you're already in crisis mode, the same rules apply. Start with clarity, even if the numbers are scary, especially if they're scary. You can't fix what you won't face. Look, stopping money stress isn't about becoming rich. It's about creating a system where you know what's happening. You have a small buffer, and you're not carrying shame about your past choices. Start with one thing today. Know your number, set up that automatic transfer, or schedule that first money date. Just one thing. Because financial peace isn't built in a day, but it is built one decision at a time. You've got this.